Welcome. If you're tired of getting push notifications every time someone tries to comment with a photo on a pin you've saved on Pinterest, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to prevent these notifications on your PC, especially with Pinterest's latest update. Let's get started and make your Pinterest experience a little quieter and more focused. First, open your preferred browser and head over to the Pinterest website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your Pinterest homepage, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Click on Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all your account preferences. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a list of different categories. Find and click on Notifications. This section is where you can control what Pinterest notifies you about, both on your device and through email. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Comments with photos at pins you saved. This setting controls whether you get push notifications when someone comments with a photo on your saved pins. By default, this might be turned on, which is why you're getting those alerts. To stop these notifications, simply toggle the switch next to Push to the off position. This will disable push notifications for this specific activity, so you won't be disturbed every time someone interacts with your pins in this way. Once you've made this change, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. This ensures your new settings are applied and you won't have to repeat the process. And that's it. You've successfully prevented push notifications for comments with photos on your pins. Enjoy a more peaceful Pinterest browsing experience, and remember to check back for more tips to customize your online world just the way you like it. Thanks for watching.